Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Today I'm going to talk about one of the problems that you can have as a cache owner. Before I do, let me show you some of the issues that I've had with the cache I'm visiting today. Roll footage. And I'm back at Westfield Wood because nobody's found it yet. So I'm wondering if anything's happened to it again. And it's just not been logged, so I'm just going to pop and check it. Yeah, it's still there, hidden behind my sticks. And I guess all it means is nobody's been to look for it, which is cool. But also, you know, what I mean when I say it's cool is, I mean it's cool that it's still there and it's not been muggled. Right, it's the 10th of June, a little bit breezy today. Apologies if that's being picked up by the mic. I'm doing this on my phone and I'm heading out to have another look at it because there's been another DNF, and because this one's been a bit of a problem one, while I was in the area I thought I'd have a quick check. Again. Although I'm not particularly bothered today because, hey look, it's a beautiful day. Now the last DNF was actually by a rookie, only with 2 finds to the name. So I am putting this one down to the fact that they're just inexperienced. However, you never know. I figure it's worth checking, considering it's been a few issues with it. I do love that oak tree actually. I think it's a great setting for this one. Here we are, let's go in, have a look. Yeah, I can see it from here. There she is. So yep, just another inexperienced geocacher with a DNF. However, that's good to check, especially considering I placed most of my caches so that I could check them easily. It's the 8th of July and I'm back again checking this cache, Holly's neighbour, because there's been another couple of DNFs. The good thing about this one was at least I placed it on one of my regular routes, which does make it easy for me to follow up on and check. But yeah, this is one of those things nobody tells you when you're a cache owner that you're going to have to do. Alright, well that is actually quite interesting because it was hidden in there and it's now gone. I'm going to have a look around, see if I can find it in the area anywhere. Well, I had a good look around and it's definitely gone. So I think my next course of action with this one is to firstly disable it so that people don't go looking for it because it doesn't exist. And then I've got some bits of wood here. I'm going to try and make a craft cache, make it a little bit more discreet and then re-hide it. Possibly the same location, possibly a different location within the wood. I don't know whether it's being muggled by people who now just know it's there, or I don't know. It just needs rethinking. Joys of being a cache owner. So as you can see, I've had some issues with this cache, Holly's neighbour, and yeah, at the last one it had gone missing again, so that's the second time it's gone missing so far. I have completely rethought this. I disabled it for a little while I rethought it, only for a day or two, and I'm back out today to hide another cache completely different to the previous ones, and I've made the cache now a premium one because most of the issues seem to be from rookies, and I'm not sure whether it's noob geocachers who aren't really sure what they're doing and not replacing it correctly, or whether the cache has actually been muggled by muggles. Now it is just down here, the location, and when I get there I will show you what I've done. There's a few muggles milling around, dog walkers. So what I've done is created a completely different type of cache. Yep, it looks like a stick. And inside there, I've wedged in, I've drilled a little hole out and put in a little tube, and inside the tube there's a log. The idea being that this will be much more camouflaged and blend into the environment a lot better, and hopefully it won't disappear. I just can't turn the camera off there for a second because there were some muggles milling around. So I've resighted it. Now what I did with that log was, as I say, drilled a hole in it, shoved the little tube in it and put a new log in it. And I've oiled the wood just with some mineral oil, not just ordinary mineral oil, so it doesn't smell tasty to anything like a dog or anything. Yeah, it won't smell like food. So yeah, just put some mineral oil on it. Just to help make it a bit more waterproof and durable, but also, yeah, just to protect it really. And where I'm hiding it is just here, look, just under there. So it's out of sight. Hopefully that'll do the trick, hopefully. As I say, I've made this premium now, so unless people are willing to pay to go geocaching, it's not available to the freebies. And hopefully, if it has been a cacher problem, that will solve it. If it doesn't, I will just relocate it, because it does mean it's being found by actual muggles and tampered with. So that's it. Might be a bit windy. I'm back out. I'm just having another look at this cache. It's a week later. There's been no activity on it, but I just want to check to see if it's been muggled. Nope, still there. Look. Right, it's been a few weeks since I replaced this. I'm just going to go and have a quick check, see how it's doing, because it has been found several times since. What condition has it been left in? Let's go and have a look. Just approaching the area now, to think what I'm going to find. Well, I'm pleased to say it all looks very good. Nice, a pleasant surprise. Right, hopefully I can leave that one now, because I've got another one to sort out, but not in this video. Monk's Cross Pond, something's gone astray there. Subscribe for future updates.